Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a promo code on Etsy in 2026. Do you want to boost sales on Etsy with a promo code? Here's how to create one step by step. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to start your Etsy shop. You're just gonna go to your web browser, or alternatively you can use your mobile device by downloading the Etsy app from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Now, once you download the app or access the website, make sure you sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, you're going to click on the account icon here. And then you're going to click on Become a Seller. You're going to see this option right here. And once you click on it, you're going to have this option to click on the Shop Manager. You're going to click on Shop Manager and you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to fill in the information like shop preferences, name your shop, how you get paid, sharing your bill infos, and your shop security. So make sure to fill in all the informations. Once you finish setting up all the information, the second thing is to go to marketing. You're going to click on marketing, then you're going to select sales and discounts. You're going to click on the sales and discounts option, then you're going to choose from these options to create a new offer or create a new special offer. Then you're going to choose the promo code as you can see here. And after that, you're going to choose and set your discounts. Now choose your discount and choose percentages off, fixed amounts off, or free shipping. Once you choose from these options right here, you're going to customize the code. You're going to enter a custom code name like SAVE10 or another custom code depending. Then you're going to set the duration and the minimum purchase. Also choose start and end date and set a minimum order value if needed. After that, you're going to review and launch. You're going to click review and confirm, then activate the promo code. Now, after that, you're gonna click on the review and confirm to activate the promo code. And that's it. That's how you create a promo code on Etsy to increase conversions and attract more buyers. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.